Well, good afternoon. Check this out. We've had clear skies overnight last night and, of course, continuing into today with that blue sky we're seeing now. And that gave some of us an opportunity to take in the northern lights. This is a photo from this morning that John sent to us. This was east of Argyle, Minnesota. You can see that green glow on the horizon, but also some of those red columns there, those streaks. Really cool view from John here. And he has another photo as well. You can check that out on our website or head to our VNL weather app to get to our weather or our photo gallery here. And maybe you have some photos, share them with us as well. And we actually have more opportunity to take in some northern lights heading into the forecast for Friday. We've got another kind of burst of energy that's forecast to reach us Friday night. The big question is will it be cloudy? So we'll be talking about that coming up here. Right now, though, nice and clear. This is in Grand Forks. We've got blue sky looking to the northwest there. You can also see the flags just kind of barely moving in the wind. That's been the big difference maker for us here today, is not having that wind causing so much trouble like it did over the last couple of days. Wind speeds are less than 10 miles per hour in most areas, even calm. No movement to the air at all up by Hallock and Thief River Falls there. It's northerly though, so that's keeping that cooler air just kind of generally moving into the region here today. Temperatures still struggling at below zero in Langdon. We're at 2 below right now, still at the noon hour. It's 4 above in Fargo, and in Grand Forks a little milder to the south. That's where we'll see more temperatures in the teens heading into the afternoon. And wind chills, well, they are a factor in areas where we have wind that's at least 5 miles per hour, and we do have that in some places. So it does feel like we're below zero in spots. Up in Rolla, 14 below your wind chill, 9 below in Devil's Lake. And here's the good news too. Visibility looks great. 10 miles everywhere here in the valley, which is exactly what we want to see. A nice break from the blizzard conditions again that we had. A look at your radar and satellite map again. This is that black and white view of our visible satellite map, so that helps us to see those snow-covered lakes like Red Lake there, and then of course some of the river channels here in southeastern North Dakota as well. Kind of cool to be able to see that. That's because the skies are clear. The clouds are affecting places in northeastern South Dakota, but beyond that, most of us are experiencing clear skies. There is another big storm system moving across the country. It's bringing snow from Omaha to Chicago, kind of right on the edge of this, moving up into Michigan, and then severe weather threat down in the deep south here for later on this afternoon, kind of getting going right now. So they're under the gun for those kind of conditions. Here in the valley, it's quiet, it's clear. We are just plain cold heading into the afternoon. We're looking at temperatures single digits to some teens. Again, some areas where we're going to see our wind chills that are a little bit more below zero this afternoon. And once the sun sets tonight, everybody will be dropping below zero for a time, but just warming up a few more degrees here with mostly sunny skies today. Heading into Thursday, or rather the nighttime hours tonight and into Friday, we're watching those temperatures drop. We'll see that wind ease up overnight, but notice the direction turning southerly by tomorrow morning. That south wind kicks in and starts to warm us up even before daybreak, thanks to the wind again. So again, we are turning things around on Friday with some warming southwesterly wind. There is the possibility for some partly cloudy. I'm hoping we'll get to see some breaks in those clouds, those skies for Friday night for the potential for aurora, and then into Saturday morning. But check out the weekend forecast. Fantastic. 20s to some low 30s.
Yeah, it does look great. You said it right. A turnaround, a big turnaround.
Huge turnaround from negative numbers this morning all the way to near freezing or maybe even above in a couple of places.